Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to schedule Instagram posts in just a few simple steps. First, you need to make your Instagram account a creator account or business account. For that, open the Instagram app on your mobile. Tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the three lines in the top right corner. Scroll down and look for the Account Type and Tools option. Tap on Account Type and Tools. Tap on Switch to Professional Account. Tap on the Next button. Now select a category. I selected Education. After selecting the category, tap on Switch to Professional Account at the bottom. Now wait for 30 seconds, and your Instagram account will become a professional account. Here, select the type of professional account you want. Business or creator. I'm selecting creator. Tap on the Next button. Turn on the promotional emails option. Tap on the Next button again. Tap on Continue. Now, fill in the details for your professional account. If you want to do it later, tap the cross, X, in the top left corner. Your professional account has been created. To schedule a post, tap the plus icon in the center at the bottom. Select an image from the gallery. Tap on the Next button. Tap on the Next button. Scroll down and tap on More options. At the top, you'll now see the Add Reminder option. Tap on it. To schedule the post, set the time. I've now set the time. Enter the event name. Once everything is done, tap on the top right corner. Now go back. Write a caption below the post. After writing the caption, tap the Share button below. Tap on Share Post. Your post is now scheduled. And that's it. How to schedule Instagram posts. If this video helped, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.